When you're figuring out a new way to live and you're on a budget and you've decided to stop chasing the trends, you're going to have some free time on your hands that you're going to need to fill. And you don't want to just be sitting in front of the TV set, just watching TV or scrolling on the social media channels. You have to have other things to do to fill your soul. I love hiking, so I come out and do hikes, shoot videos while I'm doing the hikes. This is my jam. I like being out in nature. The other thing I like to do is visit art museums or visit artisan colleges. That's a lot of fun for me too. But those are all things that don't cost me any money. They're all free. They're free to do. They take up a lot of time. And the great thing about them is I feel recharged. I feel better after I've done them. I feel invigorated after I've done them. With whatever it is that you want to do, or maybe it was something you wanted to do as a kid, figure out what that is that invigorates you, that makes you happy and kind of like, I mean, like happy, like little kid happy, like you're like, yeah, that kind of happy. And then start doing that again. Maybe it's riding a bicycle, maybe it's painting, whatever it is, try it. And you're going to be bad at it to start with, and that's okay. It's perfectly fine to be bad at something. But you are going to have to figure out other things to do with your time, because you're not going to be spending as much time chasing around whatever the next trend is and spending all your money on junk.